Leg pain, fatigue, or cramps? You might be missing these 7 nutrients. Senior health, you've been taking your vitamins, you've followed the basics, but your legs still feel tired, wobbly, or weak. Why? What if I told you there are 7 hidden nutrients your body is silently begging for? Especially as you age? These aren't just supplements. They're your secret weapons to stronger steps, better balance, and the freedom to move with confidence. Well into your 70s, 80s, even 90s. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe. If you care about staying strong, healthy, and independent as you age, this channel is made for you. We share simple, science-backed tips to help you move better, feel better, and live better, no matter your age. Hit that red subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a video that could change your health and your life. Your support helps us grow and continue bringing you powerful, practical advice every week. Thank you for being here and welcome to the community. Number 1. Vitamin A regenerates muscle tissue, quick recovery. As we age, our legs go through a lot. They carry our weight, keep us stable, and help us stay independent. But many older adults notice a slow decline. They feel sore after a short walk, need longer to recover after movement, or simply can't walk as confidently as before. One overlooked reason? A lack of vitamin A. Vitamin A is not just for eyesight. It plays a powerful role in tissue repair and muscle regeneration. Every time you move, walk, or stand, your muscles experience tiny amounts of stress and damage. Normally, your body repairs that damage. But if you're low in vitamin A, this recovery slows down, and over time, your legs may feel weaker, stiffer, or more fatigued, even without intense activity. Older adults are especially at risk of vitamin A deficiency. This is because the body's ability to convert food into usable vitamin A declines with age. If you've noticed that your legs feel sore for no clear reason, or you take longer than usual to bounce back after walking or exercising, it may be your body's way of signaling that it needs more of this essential nutrient. So what happens when you start getting enough vitamin A? Your muscles recover faster, inflammation decreases, the tissues around your joints stay more supple, and you may even notice less soreness after physical activity. It becomes easier to move, stand up, and stay active without worrying about pain or stiffness. The best sources of vitamin A are natural, whole foods. Think liver, carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and dark leafy greens. These foods contain either active vitamin A, retinol, or beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. For better absorption, always pair vitamin A-rich foods with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado. But here's the trick. You don't need to overdo it. Just one small serving of liver per week or a daily bowl of carrots and greens can make a significant difference over time. Some older adults also choose to supplement, but always talk to a healthcare provider before adding high-dose vitamin A, especially since too much can be harmful. The takeaway is simple. If your legs aren't as strong or responsive as they used to be, don't just blame it on aging. Look at what your body might be missing. Vitamin A could be the key to helping your legs recover, repair, and stay strong, so you can move through life with more freedom and less pain. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe. If you care about staying strong, healthy, and independent as you age, this channel is made for you. We share simple science-backed tips to help you move better, feel better, and live better, no matter your age. Hit that red subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a video that could change your health and your life. Your support helps us grow and continue bringing you powerful, practical advice every week. Thank you for being here, and welcome to the community. Number 2, vitamin B6 reduces numbness, improves motor nerves. If your legs often feel numb, tingling, or weak, especially at night, there's a good chance your body is low on vitamin B6. This vitamin is essential for healthy nerve communication. Without it, the messages between your brain and leg muscles become delayed or disrupted, leading to discomfort, instability, or that annoying pins and needles feeling. Vitamin B6 helps your nervous system function smoothly. It supports the production of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that control movement, balance, and muscle coordination. When B6 levels drop, your legs may feel unsteady, like they're not fully connected to your body. This becomes even more common as we age. Older adults naturally absorb less B6 from food, and certain medications like blood pressure pills or diabetes drugs can make it worse. That's why even if you eat well, you might still be low in B6 and not know it. The good news is restoring B6 is simple. Start by adding foods like bananas, chicken, potatoes, and whole grains to your meals. These are rich, natural sources that your body can absorb easily. For an extra boost, some seniors add B6 supplements, but always check with a doctor first to avoid overuse. Once your body gets enough B6, things start to change fast. Numbness fades, nighttime leg tingling goes away. Your steps feel stronger and you start to feel more stable on your feet. You may even notice that walking becomes easier and less tiring. So if you've been wondering why your legs don't feel the same lately, don't ignore it. It might not be aging, it might be a vitamin signal. Vitamin B6 could be the missing piece to help your legs move, feel, and function like they should again. Number 3, vitamin B1 creates energy for walking. Do your legs feel tired even after simple tasks like walking around the house or standing for a few minutes? If so, your body might be lacking vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This vitamin is essential for converting the food you eat into usable energy, especially for your muscles. Without enough B1, your legs may feel heavy, slow, or drained of power. You may wake up feeling like you haven't rested, or you might notice that even small activities leave you feeling wiped out. This isn't just normal aging. It's often a silent signal from your body that energy production is failing at the cellular level. Vitamin B1 supports muscle strength by fueling the nervous system and allowing energy to flow through your legs efficiently. A deficiency in B1 doesn't just make you feel weak, it can also affect your balance and reaction time, increasing your risk of falls. Older adults are especially vulnerable to B1 deficiency because absorption declines with age. People who drink alcohol regularly or take diuretics are at even higher risk. The signs might be subtle at first: sluggish legs, slower movement, but over time the effects can be frustrating. Thankfully, getting more B1 is easy. Include foods like whole grain bread, brown rice, pork, beans, and sunflower seeds in your meals. These foods are naturally rich in thiamine and can help your legs regain their energy. Once your B1 levels improve, you'll likely notice the difference. Your legs will feel lighter. Climbing stairs won't feel like lifting weights. You'll walk farther without needing to stop, all from giving your body the spark it needs to move again. If your legs feel like they're aging faster than the rest of you, check your vitamin B1. The fix might be simpler than you think. Number 4, vitamin B3 increases blood circulation, reduces cold feet. Do your legs ever feel cold, numb, or oddly tingly, even when the rest of your body feels fine? That could be a sign of poor circulation. And one powerful, often forgotten vitamin that supports better blood flow is vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Vitamin B3 helps widen your blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your legs. When your circulation is poor, your muscles don't get enough fuel to function properly. The result? Legs that feel heavy, cold, or tired after short activity. You might even notice swelling or cramping when sitting for long periods. This isn't just an issue of comfort, it's a warning sign. Good blood flow is essential for leg strength, muscle repair, and stamina. Without it, simple actions like walking across the room or going up a step can feel harder than they should. Many seniors overlook vitamin B3 because they think circulation problems are just part of getting older. But the truth is, niacin can make a dramatic difference. It supports healthy blood vessels, reduces inflammation, and even helps lower bad cholesterol, another factor that affects circulation. To get more B3 naturally, add foods like chicken, turkey, tuna, salmon, peanuts, and mushrooms to your diet. These are easy to include in everyday meals and can give your body the boost it needs. Some people also take niacin supplements, but those should be used under medical guidance due to potential side effects like flushing. Once your circulation improves, you'll likely feel the difference in your legs. They may feel warmer, lighter, and more responsive. You'll walk farther with less effort, and that annoying need to sit down feeling will fade. If you've been living with cold, weak, or tired legs, it might not be your age. It might be a circulation issue. And vitamin B3 could be the simple key your legs have been waiting for. Number 5, omega-3. Anti-inflammatory, supports smooth joint movement. If your knees ache when climbing stairs or your joints feel stiff in the morning, inflammation could be the reason. And one of the best natural ways to fight inflammation and protect your legs is omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats that your body can't produce on its own. They reduce swelling in joints, ease stiffness, and keep the tissues around your knees and hips moving smoothly. For older adults, omega-3s are especially powerful because they help slow joint degeneration and support long-term mobility. When inflammation builds up in your legs, everything feels harder. You may feel sharp pain in your knees, a dull ache in your thighs, or tightness in your ankles. Over time, this constant stress can wear down cartilage, making walking, standing, or bending painful. Omega-3s help cushion your joints and protect them from further damage. They also improve circulation, allowing your muscles and tissues to get more oxygen and nutrients during movement. That means less pain, quicker recovery, and more strength in every step. You can find omega-3s in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, as well as in chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. If you don't eat fish regularly, consider taking a high-quality fish oil supplement, but always check with your doctor first. Once you add more omega-3s to your diet, you may notice your joints feel looser and more flexible. Some seniors say they experience less swelling in their knees and even start walking longer distances with less discomfort. If you've been battling daily stiffness or pain in your legs, don't just accept it as part of aging. It could be your body's way of asking for more anti-inflammatory support. And omega-3s may be just what you need to bring comfort and motion back to your legs. Number 6, CoQ10 keeps leg muscles energized. Do your legs feel tired even after resting? Do you wake up already drained of energy? If so, your body might be lacking CoQ10, a nutrient that fuels every single cell in your muscles. CoQ10, or coenzyme Q10, is a powerful compound your body uses to create energy. It's especially important for your heart and your leg muscles, the two areas that work hardest to keep you moving. As we age, natural levels of CoQ10 drop. That's when fatigue kicks in, even during light activity. If your legs feel weak, heavy, or unmotivated to move, it's not just about willpower. It might be that your muscles aren't getting the energy they need. You might feel like walking across the room is a chore, or standing up takes more effort than it used to. These are red flags that your energy production is slowing down. CoQ10 helps your cells convert food into usable energy. Without it, your muscles work harder for less output. Over time, this leads to muscle fatigue, poor endurance, and even loss of strength. It also impacts your ability to recover after simple tasks like walking or climbing stairs. Foods rich in CoQ10 include beef, chicken, pork, oily fish, like tuna and salmon, and organ meats like liver and heart. If you're not eating these regularly, your CoQ10 levels might be low. Many older adults choose to supplement with CoQ10 to boost their energy and leg strength. After just a few weeks of adding CoQ10, many seniors report feeling more energized, lighter on their feet, and better able to handle daily movements without stopping to rest. If your legs feel like they're always one step behind, don't ignore it. CoQ10 could be the missing link to restore the power and energy your legs need to help you stay active, confident, and mobile at any age. Number 7, zinc, muscle tissue regeneration and rapid recovery. If your legs take longer to recover after walking or light activity, or if you feel sore even after basic movement, you might be low on zinc. Zinc isn't just for the immune system. It plays a key role in muscle repair, tissue healing, and joint health. Every time you use your legs, whether to climb stairs, stand, or take a walk, your muscles experience micro tears. That's completely normal. But those muscles need to rebuild. Without enough zinc, this repair process slows down. Over time, your legs can feel constantly tired, achy, or unsteady. Zinc is also essential for protein synthesis. Without it, your body struggles to rebuild and strengthen the muscle fibers you depend on for balance, mobility, and endurance. This is especially important for older adults whose muscles naturally shrink with age. If you've noticed that small activities leave your legs feeling overworked, or that soreness lasts longer than it should, it could be a zinc issue. Many seniors are unknowingly deficient, especially if their diet lacks variety or they've been on certain medications for a long time. To boost your zinc intake naturally, focus on foods like beef, lamb, oysters, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and eggs. These are rich, absorbable sources that support daily muscle repair and recovery. Some older adults also take zinc supplements, but they should always be taken under supervision, as too much zinc can interfere with other nutrients. The impact of correcting a zinc deficiency is often fast. You may find that soreness goes away quicker, your legs feel more resilient after walking, and even nagging joint pain starts to ease. Recovery becomes smoother, and movement feels less like a struggle. If your legs feel like they're working overtime with little reward, zinc might be the key your body is missing. Add it back, and you may just rediscover the strength you thought was gone for good. As we age, strong legs aren't just about looking fit. They're about independence, confidence, and quality of life. If walking feels harder, if stairs seem steeper, or if your legs feel like they've aged faster than the rest of you, the answer might not be more exercise. It might be nutrition. You've just learned about 7 powerful nutrients: vitamin A, B6, B1, B3, omega-3, CoQ10, and zinc that go beyond the basics. Each one plays a critical role in muscle recovery, joint comfort, circulation, energy, and nerve health. Together, they form a strong foundation to keep your legs moving and your life active. The best part? These nutrients are easy to find in real food. You don't need a cabinet full of pills. Just a few smart choices each day, some fish, greens, seeds, or even a spoonful of liver can make a huge difference. So don't wait for things to get worse. Start nourishing your legs today. Give them what they need, and they'll carry you with strength and stability for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this message. And in the comments, tell us, which of these vitamins do you think your legs are missing most right now? Stay strong, stay mobile, and we'll see you in the next video.